Hello, this video will show you how to log into the Do Not Pay web portal using login.gov or id.me. Let's begin. Navigate to the public website of Do Not Pay. Here is the website address. Click Login on the homepage. If you do not have access to a PIV card, CAC, or LinkPass, you will choose either id.me or login.gov to log into the portal. By clicking on id.me, you will be directed to sign in or create an account through id.me's website. You must enter the email address that was used to enroll in the portal on your user enrollment form. By clicking on login.gov, you will be directed to sign in or create an account through login.gov's website. You must enter the email address that was used to enroll in the portal on your user enrollment form. A Terms and Conditions prompt will open. Users must click Accept to have access to the Do Not Pay portal. Please log into the portal at least once every 120 days. After 120 days of no login activity, your portal access will be revoked immediately. Thanks for watching. For questions, contact us at donotpay@fiscal.treasury.gov.